How many times have you, as a salon owner, a spa manager, or an independent stylist, stared at an empty appointment book and thought, there has to be a better way to get clients? We've all been there. The endless marketing efforts, the social media campaigns that feel like shouting into the void, the constant hustle to fill those chairs. It's exhausting, isn't it? And in this increasingly digital world, it's only natural to wonder if the plethora of booking and management software out there can actually do more than just organize your schedule. Can they actually bring people through your door? Today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably crossed your mind if you're in the beauty and wellness industry. Does Vagaro get you clients? It's a powerful promise, isn't it? A software that not only handles your appointments, payments, and staff, but also acts as a client magnet. We're going to explore this claim from all angles, dissecting Vagaro's features, hearing from real users, and ultimately, giving you the clearest picture possible so you can decide if it's the right tool for your business. First, let's set the stage. What exactly is Vagaro? At its core, Vagaro is a cloud-based business management software designed specifically for salons, spas, fitness studios, and other service-based businesses. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools: online booking, point of sale, inventory management, staff management, payroll, and robust reporting. But the key feature we're focusing on today, the one that truly sets it apart in this discussion, is its marketplace. Vagaro boasts a public marketplace where potential clients can discover businesses, browse services, read reviews, and book appointments directly. This is where the client acquisition promise really comes into play. Think of it like a specialized search engine for beauty and wellness services. When a user searches for haircut near me or massage Lagos, businesses listed on Vagaro's marketplace have the potential to show up in those results, drawing in new customers who might otherwise never have found them. So, how does this work in practice? Let's break down the mechanisms through which Vagaro aims to get you clients. 1. The Vagaro marketplace. This is the big one. Your business, services, and availability are listed on Vagaro.com and their mobile app. When someone searches for a service in their area, your business can appear. This exposure is crucial, especially for newer businesses or those looking to expand their reach beyond word of mouth and traditional marketing. Vagaro invests in SEO for its own platform, meaning that when people search for services on Google, there's a good chance Vagaro's marketplace will pop up, acting as a gateway to your business. 2. Online reviews and reputation management. Vagaro integrates customer reviews directly into your business profile on the marketplace. Positive reviews are social proof. They build trust and encourage new clients to book with you. Vagaro also makes it easy for you to request reviews from satisfied customers, helping you build a strong online reputation. This feedback loop is vital because in today's digital age, people rarely try a new service without checking reviews first. 3. Deal and promotion features. Vagaro allows you to create and promote deals directly through its platform. This is a fantastic way to attract new clients who might be price-sensitive or looking to try a new service at a discounted rate. You can offer introductory discounts, package deals, or seasonal promotions, all easily discoverable by users browse the marketplace. 4. Enhanced search visibility. While Vagaro doesn't promise you the top spot on Google for every search, being listed on their marketplace can indirectly boost your overall online visibility. Major platforms like Vagaro have significant domain authority, and being part of their ecosystem can lead to more backlinks and mentions, which Google factors into its ranking algorithms. 5. Automated marketing tools. Indirect client acquisition. While not directly bringing in new clients from the marketplace, Vagaro's marketing features help retain existing clients and encourage repeat business, freeing up your time and resources to focus on other client acquisition strategies. These include email marketing campaigns, text message reminders, and loyalty programs. A happy, recurring client is just as valuable as a new one, if not more so. Now, here's the crucial part. Does it actually work? The answer, as with most things in business, is it depends. Vagaro can absolutely be a powerful client acquisition tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Here's what we've learned from businesses that have successfully leveraged Vagaro for growth. You need to optimize your profile. Simply listing your business isn't enough. You need high-quality photos, a detailed description of your services, accurate pricing, and a clear call to action. Treat your Vagaro profile like a mini website. Encourage reviews. Actively ask satisfied clients to leave reviews on Vagaro. The more positive reviews you have, the higher your visibility and credibility on the platform. Offer compelling deals. Especially when you're starting out or trying to fill slow periods, a well-structured deal can be a fantastic way to attract first-time clients. Maintain excellent service. This goes without saying, but word of mouth, both online and offline, is still king. If new clients have a fantastic experience, they'll not only become repeat customers, but also recommend you to their friends. It complements, not replaces, your other marketing efforts. Vagaro can be a significant part of your client acquisition strategy, but it shouldn't be your only strategy. Continue to invest in social media marketing, local SEO, and community engagement. Think of Vagaro as a highly effective fishing net. It puts your business in a prime fishing spot, the marketplace, provides the right bait, deals, good reviews, and helps you reel in potential clients. But you still need to cast the net effectively and ensure you're offering something valuable once they bite. For many businesses, especially those that are just starting out or looking to expand their online presence without a massive marketing budget, Vagaro offers an incredible advantage. It's essentially an online storefront within a well-trafficked mall. Without Vagaro, you'd be building your own standalone shop on a less busy street, requiring significantly more effort to get people to notice you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.